Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This latest version of the iPhone is available in the Indian market, and you get storage option from 128 up to 512 GB. It also gets 6 GB of RAM, and it sports a Super Retina OLED screen. So let's get started with the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the biggest difference that you'll notice with the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the size of the box. As you can see over here, the box is not very big, and that's primarily because there's no adapter inside it. You only get the lightning cable, which is used for data transfer and charging, and in addition to this you have the iPhone. So they've reduced the size of the box. They claim that the packaging is more environment friendly conscious, and people will, let's say if you don't have the power adapter, you have to buy it separately from the company. In terms of the features of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you know that it sports a 6.7-inch OLED display which offers Super Retina screen quality. Then you have Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and you have 6 GB of RAM with different kind of storage options available. The biggest feature about the 12 Pro Max is the versatile rear camera setup at the back. It sports it basically has 3 rear cameras, and then these are primarily catering to wide sensor, telephoto sensor and ultra wide sensor. Then you have a front HD camera, which is dual selfie camera that the iPhone is offering, that can be also used for the face unlock feature. Now in terms of the box that we've got over here and the phone, as you can see, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's got this tall screen profile, but it's got slim dimensions. That means you don't really feel the heaviness of the device, and the battery, which is 3687 mAh built into the phone, will ensure that you get decent battery backup. The phone is powered by the A14 Bionic chipset, which is the latest from the company, and as we mentioned, it's got 6 GB of RAM. In terms of the unboxing of the device, you also get these basic documents that primarily includes the safety guide as well as the startup guide. So now if you're new to the iOS ecosystem and you've never used an iPhone and you're moving from an Android phone, it's very important that you read through the startup guide so that you get an understanding of what this device is all about, how do you sign in with your Apple ID, so on and so forth. So that's primarily what you get inside with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and since there's no adapter, the size of the box is just this much. So as you can see, Apple has reduced the size of the packaging for the iPhone 12 series, and the Pro Max is the one of the first devices, the premium devices, to come without the adapter in the box. Instead, you get the standard lightning cable, which is used for data transfer and charging, and then you have the basic documents like startup guide and user manual and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.